Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today I'll show you how to recreate a high braided updo, the Dutch braided updo. I love Dutch braids and I was so inspired to do an updo with some braids. Also guys, if you want some hairstyles or you want to know how to make some hairstyles or what kind of hair tutorials you'd like me more to share here on my YouTube channel, please let me know here in comments down below, so I'll make sure to do my next videos on the hairstyles that you'd like to see. If you're curious to know how to recreate this beauty right here, please stay tuned till the end.
We will select first our top section, making a double diagonal parting from both sides, and then we want to clip our top section away for later. Now we want to turn our head upside down. I'll use some product to make my hair a little more dirty, brush it well of course, and then as you know we'll make a diagonal Dutch braid. So basically we'll grab from one side a triangle, divide it into three and cross side strands under the middle one. Then, before crossing our side strands, we want to add more hair to every side strand and then cross them under the middle strand. So, one more time, we add hair to the side strand, incorporate it, then you want to cross this strand under the middle one. Now you add hair to another side strand, incorporate it and cross it under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again, making this braid, remember, diagonal. Then you want to hold your braid with your hand and then pull with another one to make your braid voluminous and fuller looking. Then you want to tie your braid using a clear elastic, preventing it from unraveling, and start your braid on the top section. It's a little harder to see what I'm doing when braiding upside down, but I'll show you on my top section how I'm basically making my diagonal Dutch braid. So we will select our triangle section from one side, divide it into three and cross side strands under the middle one. So we'll make it diagonal as well. So we add hair to the side strands before crossing under the middle one. So we want to continue these steps again until we have no more hair to add, and we will tie these both braids together. We will remove our elastic from upside down braid pull, of course, your top braid as well to make it fuller and voluminous. Then brushing your ponytail, you want to twist it, pull it a little bit to make it voluminous, and then kind of creating a knot, pin it in place using enough bobby pins, creating beautiful and voluminous bun. Use enough bobby pins. I'll use also some dry shampoo to make more texture, and I'll use again some bobby pins to fix it. And you're basically done.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. That's it for today. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.
Girl, I know what's bothering me.